if you want to copy file to another folder in Google Drive, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Google Drive. Let's have an example. I want to copy a file, right? Let's have an example of that document right here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be able to click the three dots next to that title of the file, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click send copy. And basically, like you're sharing a link to social media or somewhere else, you could just go ahead and select the same app, which is Google Drive, right? And I'm gonna be able right here to select the folder, right? And I can send a copy, right, to my to another folder. So I could just save it here, click save here, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just upload the file, right? And now I uploaded a copy. So when I go to my sample file, right, I'm gonna be able to see the file being uploaded right here, the copy. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.